Hey guys, my name is Levi Salas. I've been in business for 5 years, and I'm going to show you how I built a 7-figure business in under 30 days. I'm going to show you everything about it. So now I run 2 7-figure businesses out of storage units in my local area. I'm going to show you guys around of how I run my whatnot business, and how it's going towards 7 figures. And I'll tell you more about it when we get to the room. So I started in this room on a random Friday. I wanted ChatGPT, and I had to move $100,000 worth of inventory. Somehow I was banned on eBay, and so I started to research on ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT told me about Whatnot. I downloaded the app and I started my first live stream around like 2 p.m. on a random Friday, and I did $2,000 in sales in my first day. So let me tell you about the process, okay? So you're probably so confused what's going on, and I'll tell you exactly what's going on. We have Enzo, one of our hosts, running an electronics show at Thursday to Sunday right now in the mornings. And you can see all the products in the back, right? They can see it on the live stream. Show them the camera. Look at that.
Say hi, chat.
Chat, we're on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, chat.
Yes, look at that. So you only need one phone. You can really run this entire business with one phone, but we try to move fast. So one phone is for, the camera and the scale that we have there. We're constantly weighing the products because we categorize the products, 1 to 3 ounces, 4 to 7 ounces, not 8 to 11 ounces, 12 to 15 ounces. We do that because we try to offer, the perfect pricing for shipping for our customers. And so, Enzo always has these shelves stocked because we have a helper that comes in and stocks the shelves up. Once they stock the shelves up, it's Enzo's job to, grab the product, display the product, weigh the product, and, talk about the product and promote the product. His goal is to, start the bid because it's an auction. Start the bid at whatever we're comfortable selling at. We're not going to sell a $200 product and start at $1 if we're not pulling 200 viewers yet. So we're going to start it off at $30, depending on what we're comfortable at selling at. Sometimes he's always messaging me like, what should I start this at? And I'm the boss, so I'm like, okay, let's start at $60. Why not? Let's see how many viewers there are. Now, so he does a great job selling. Right now we're low on inventory, so he's selling what he can, but he's doing a great job. So you just need a tripod, good lighting, a scale, and another phone, which I recommend, or a laptop or an iPad to start the auctions. You can check that out. This is how we start the auctions. We also start the auctions by the weight. We weigh the product, and whatever weight it is, we run it on that weight. And you can also see here, look at that. You can also see the sales that you're at and how long you've been live streaming. So we do our live streams between 7 to 8 hours, right? Our night hosts like to do a little longer. They might do 9, 10 hours and go up to like 1, 2 a.m. Those are prime times. But you can see there Enzo has sold nearly $1,200 in 4 hours, which 72 orders. Now, what happens when he sells the item? I'll show you right here. We categorize each shelf by weight. So you can see here, 4 to 7 ounces, 8 to 11 ounces, 1 to 3 ounces, 12 to 15 ounces. Why do we do that? Because we offer bundle shipping on Whatnot. Not every seller does, but we do because we are trying to build a customer experience where they stay on our show. Our retention rate increases because they're trying to decrease their shipping costs per unit, right? So Whatnot has a flat rate fee, shipping fee for $9.21 up to 70 pounds, as long as it's in their small, medium, or large flat rate boxes. They have a contract with USPS, and I believe they're one of the only platforms with that type of contract, and it's very, very valuable. Why? Because we can send 20 items in one box to the customer if it fits in that box for $9.21. So customers are more willing to or want to stay on your show because they want to decrease their shipping costs. You only buy one item, that costs $9.21. You buy 10 items, you decrease the price per unit. Now, this is the helper's job to put the item on the shelves. What happens next? This is the shipping station. The shipping station, all you need is a laptop and a thermal printer. I've been using thermal printer since my Amazon days. I'm still selling on Amazon. I've done 7 figures on Amazon for the last 2-3 years now. And here, all you need is tape, some bubble wrap, poly bags, and then you can start shipping. So you're gonna go to whatnot.com. I recommend having any type of laptop. You go to shipments, right? And then let it load. Mind you, we are in a storage unit, so the Wi-Fi is a little slower, but we make it work. So check this out. All right. So you go to shipments over here, and then this is his show right now as we're talking live. Live Amazon Electronics pallet pulls with Enzo, 524 at 7:50 a.m. His orders are already popping here. If you wanted and you didn't offer a bundle shipping, you can sell the item, and as soon as it's sold, you can ship it out, right? If the customer does not like submit a cancellation. So this is why we offer bundle shipping. You see, people are ordering more items. Two items right there. Another customer, 3 items. 3 items. And the only way you buy 3 items is if you're staying on our show for more than, a couple minutes. So that's good. Viewers increase, pricing increase on Whatnot. Why? Because if you only have 20 viewers on your live, what does that mean? You might only have one person that's interested in your product. Versus if you have 100 viewers, you have 5 people that are interested in your product. Now you can start the bid a little lower because you know 5 people are going to compete. The chances of 5 people competing are very high when it's 100 viewers compared to 20 viewers. It's a numbers game. The goal is to, sell every single day, or not every single day, whenever you can, and be consistent with the times that you're live. Why? Because your customers, trust me, Enzo over here, he has people that show up to his show only in the mornings. I have a night show on the same account with my female hosts, Jalissa, Kristen, and Jasmine. And his customers already know he's here Thursday to Sunday mornings with electronics, and we're building that customer base. So when we reach 100,000 followers, because we've already hit 11,000 followers in under 30 days, they're going to know that his show is from Thursday to Sunday, 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., and they're going to want to come buy electronics with him. So camera placement is very important for a Whatnot show. Why? When you're running bigger items, you want the camera behind, like a little farther from the scale, so you can see the product, right? If you come over here, you can see the product right here. Oh, we are not on live yet. So they're thinking I'm on live right now. But you bring the product here. Yeah, boss man. People still remember me on Whatnot, and haven't been on Whatnot since the first 3 days since I started the show. But for example, you grab the product. Oh, should I just go live? Why not? Right? Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Let's see, Mike. All right, guys. I'm not the host. I'm Levi. If you're first time seeing me, I'm the one who started the show 4 weeks ago. But let's run it. I am the boss, guys. Let's see what we're gonna run. So usually I'm on YouTube right now. I'm streaming for showing people how to sell on Whatnot. I've been selling for 4 weeks straight now, or 4 weeks now on Whatnot. 11,000 followers, and we've done $50,000 in sales, sold 3,500 items, which is pretty good. So let's just do, like, for example, you grab the product, right? You grab the product, and guys, we're just gonna run this, and we're gonna just store for a steal, $10. This goes for like $50 on Amazon all day long. We're gonna do it right now, okay? So you weigh the product, right? And it shows 12 ounces. So I go to the shop over here, and then I go to auction, and I look for the 12 ounces, 12 to 15 ounces. My hosts already know that, the weight category. So starting bid will start at $10, just a steal, guys. Start at $10. I like to do sudden death, right? Do sudden death at 15 seconds. And let's see who gets this steal. I'm the boss, so you guys better take this right here. Look at that. Maglite ML300LX. Who wants a $10 to steal? It goes for $50 on Amazon all day long. It's new open box. Right? Check that out. Nobody? All right. So if nobody wants to buy it now, they can always buy it later. I always tell everybody, but it's a nice time for a heifer to get to work. Yeah, no, I'm just doing some video, some content. But Enzo's on break and he'll be back at 12:50. Okay. And so you see, some people still remember me, and I haven't been on the show for 4 weeks now. But my face is the profile picture on my show. We'll be changing that soon. But you can see that the product didn't sell, and that's perfectly fine. What I recommend you doing is starting the price that you're comfortable selling it. I'm comfortable selling it at $10. If it doesn't sell now, it will sell in 20, 30 minutes when I run it again. Because you don't know who's watching, you don't know who's interested, you don't know how many people are there's only 19 viewers right now. Later on, there's like 80 viewers. Someone's going to pay $10 at least. So guys, this is only one of my setups for one of my shows. This is how I set up for electronics or bigger items. Let me show you how I do it for, smaller items like beauty, health and beauty. So the reason why I have two separate rooms is because when this show is over, a shipper comes in and starts shipping all the items and they can't be distracted. It's a very important job. They have to make sure all the orders are 100% successfully sent out to USPS and to the customers. So I have a second showroom where the night show is being ran, right? And then the morning after that night show, the shipper comes in and ships all the items. So we're constantly shipping every single show right after the show to keep the ball rolling, and so we can satisfy the customers with 24-hour processing time, and it's been working very great for us. So now you can see here, these are all the items that are ready to be shipped out to USPS. We have one guy right now pick it up first because USPS is just not loyal to us yet. So one guy picks it up and drops it off at USPS for us. But this is just from one show, right? Yeah, one show. This was from the health and beauty show last night. And you can see people are buying a lot, right? So this morning, these shelves were, stocked up with items that we sold last night, and now it's empty because we have one of our shippers here. They basically finished almost, what time is it? 12 o'clock. So she did it within 4 to 5 hours. She shipped all the items from last night. And, the next 3 hours, she'll be helping around, prepping, stocking the shelves. So check this out. We have over 2,000 items in stock to sell and whatnot. So if you guys are moving a lot of products on your show and you get lost of what you sold in that, for that order, whatnot helps you out. And you can see the video receipt of what you sold for, that amount and for that random poll that you did. So Danielle over here just asked me, oh, what about this item that seems damaged? We said in the video that it was damaged, so that's why we were selling at a discounted price. And if you zoom up on the video, you can see the product is the exact same condition. So Whatnot has your back just in case, We sold it in that condition, the customer bid on it, and they know what they're getting. And Whatnot also knows what they're getting because it's in the video receipt. So don't ever worry if a customer says, oh, I received it damaged, even though they know they received it, they purchased it damaged. This is new open box, but customers will pay $1, $2 for this when it goes for $10, just because you can it's still usable. It's consumable. No, not consumable, but usable. So this is our health and beauty setup. It's very specific for this show because the items are smaller. Our Wi-Fi, as of right now, since we're in a storage unit, we're using 5G or we're using Verizon, the Verizon Wi-Fi box. Sometimes it could glitch out, lag out, but that's perfectly fine. Why? We thought of how to fix that. So here we have a light box, right? And like I said, you want to make your background attractive. And so what we do is we put some eye catchers in the background. This is the retention, like how people will stay on your show and they may be interested. But we're going to tell them, these are premium products that we're selling on our show, but we're running bundles all day long. So we'll bundle this, for example, three for 15, guys. We put it on the scale. Right now the scale is in there. We put it in the scale and we make sure people know this is up right now. And we put the camera right on the product. So this is faceless. This is a faceless show. We have the host in the background setting up the bundles, and they're just speaking in the background. That's why if you check right there on the video receipt, check on the video receipt. This was last night's show, for example. Let's play one right now, and you can see This is faceless. This is a faceless live stream.
All right, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, $4, running right now. Hold on. It's going to be quick, though. We're going to do really quick runs, guys. Really quick runs, really quick runs. Literally 10 seconds, go.
So the reason why we do that is because the items are smaller. And so if you try to run it like the electronics show and the camera's not as close, people are not able to see what the product is. And since we do random polls and we don't list everything because it's way faster, way more efficient just to put it in bundles and do random polls. They can see what it is if it's zoomed up. Versus if it's out here, you can't see what the product is. So you won't get as many bids and as many customers are interested. So that is why we have a different setup for smaller products. And I highly recommend you guys do that when you're doing smaller products like this. If you're running like Dysons all day long, you can run that with your face in it, with your whole body in there and the scale right there. But this is a whole different setup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I promise you, this will be the one-stop shop for Whatnot. I will be posting a lot of videos for buyers and for sellers. We are growing on Whatnot. Whatnot is growing, and I'm building a community, free community, Discord channel. Link down below. Make sure you join. 180 members in 10 days. Let's do it.